Checking your account balance on the Nintendo eShop is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily find out how much balance you have available. Step 1. Access the Nintendo eShop. Turn on your Nintendo console and navigate to the Nintendo eShop icon. Select it to open the eShop. Step 2. Sign into your account. If prompted, enter your Nintendo account credentials to sign in. Make sure you are logged into the account you want to check. Step 3. Navigate to your account information. Once in the eShop, look for your profile icon or the account settings option. This is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 4. Check your balance. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use eShop to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Log out if necessary. If you have finished checking your balance, you can log out of your account for security reasons. Simply return to the account settings and select the logout option. Now you know how to check your account balance on the Nintendo eShop. Enjoy your gaming experience.